What do you think about Optimus being able to handle tasks that involve water, such as washing dishes, watering plants, cleaning food, mopping floors, or bathing pets? Essentially, Tesla must equip the Tesla Optimus with water resistance before starting deliveries at the end of this year or early next year, because this is fundamental for it to effectively assist humans in various tasks as a homemaker or companion. Elon Musk has emphasized that the Tesla bot can do anything you want, even tasks it has never done before. Most recently, Optimus's hands have been upgraded to provide comprehensive water resistance and antibacterial protection. With this capability, humanoid robots have never been more reliable. So, why does Optimus need water resistance? How important is this feature? Welcome to evtech. In the era of rapidly advancing technology, water resistance has become a crucial feature for modern devices, especially robots and smart gadgets. More than just a functional aspect, water resistance opens up vast possibilities for extending the range of applications and enhancing the durability of devices in daily life and work environments. Take the iPhone as an example. Early versions lacked water resistance, but over time, it became a must-have feature. For a $20,000 robot like the Tesla bot, water resistance is indispensable, especially when used outdoors, where it may face rain, high humidity, or unexpected situations like floods. Even more straightforwardly, many tasks it performs involve contact with water. Many questions have been raised about the Tesla bot, such as whether it can wash its hands after completing a task. Some feel uneasy at the thought of it cleaning a bathroom and then immediately preparing food in the kitchen without washing its hands. Others worry about it breaking down after a few rain showers while operating outdoors. Clearly, no one would consider purchasing Optimus if these concerns weren't addressed. Thus, we confidently predict that Optimus will feature comprehensive water resistance. Looking at the design of Optimus, about 70% of its body is encased in plastic. This not only makes it lightweight, but also provides excellent water resistance. Of course, certain parts remain exposed, such as the arms with visible cables and actuators. This understandably leads to skepticism about whether Optimus's hands can handle water-related tasks like washing dishes or doing laundry. However, the new generation of Optimus's hands demonstrates significant improvements. In the video where Optimus catches a tennis ball, its 22-degree of freedom hand appears to be nearly entirely enclosed, almost like it has an additional glove layer, suggesting water resistance and the capability for more complex tasks. Comparing the left and right hands in the video, you can see a substantial difference in design. Elon Musk has also shared that
the hand might be close to half of all the engineering in Optimus. From an electromechanical standpoint, the hand is probably roughly half of the engineering.
This actually quietly reveals that Optimus's hands will function like human hands, capable of performing tasks that human hands can do, regardless of terrain, weather, or environment. Water resistance not only protects sensitive components such as circuits and actuators, but also minimizes the risk of damage, helping to extend the product's lifespan. This means users will save significantly on repair and maintenance costs. With the Tesla bot, its battery is also securely enclosed, much like how Tesla does with its electric vehicles, to the point where water is almost completely inaccessible. In summary, the combination of the new, flexible hand design and the protective plastic covering around the body allows this robot to have reliable water resistance. This is not only a technical achievement, but also a testament to Tesla's vision of creating intelligent, powerful, and dependable robots. With water resistance and many other smart features, Optimus will become a valuable assistant for many useful tasks. Clearly, none of us want to wash dishes, right?
In fact, when it comes to competitors in Tesla's humanoid robot field, the list is extensive. However, if we were to highlight one robot with superior specifications compared to Tesla's Optimus, Unitree H1 from China is getting lots of attention.
It's expected to cost much less than a car.
Just bring it directly to the right here.
I would say probably less than $20,000 would be my guess.
The anticipated selling price of the Tesla bot is always an advantage, confidently securing customer preference, as $20,000 is not a significant amount to make many people hesitate. However, when it comes to Unitree H1, it's a different story. Yeah, $150,000, the selling price set by the manufacturer. Yes, that is quite expensive. It's more expensive than 2 Model X cars combined and may lead many of us to reconsider adding it to our shopping carts. Previously, when discussing the price of Optimus, Elon Musk mentioned that their robot would be cheaper than a car produced in millions every year.
The Optimus is designed to be an extremely capable robot, but made in very high volume, probably ultimately millions of units, and it is expected to cost much less than a car.
While Unitree has been commercialized and is set for early delivery this year, on Tesla's end, Musk has stated that Optimus is still in the development phase to achieve maximum utility, with few deliveries expected in 2025. For a robot priced at $150,000, it must undoubtedly feature superior technologies worthy of the price, at least holding the title of the fastest humanoid robot in the world. So, what makes Unitree H1 confident that it'll overwhelm the Tesla bot? Similar to the Tesla bot, Unitree H1 is designed with various applications in mind, including research and development, education, and service industries. Speaking of its size, as you can see, it truly looks quite simple from design to appearance, all wrapped in a mysterious black color that makes everyone eager to explore. We're not sure if humanoid robot manufacturers adhere to any specific size standards, but the truth is, from Atlas Boston Dynamics, Tesla Bot, Kepler Forerunner, and Unitree, they all fall within 5 feet 10-inch range, a size that brings efficiency and resembling human stature the most. Not stopping there, to achieve the ability to walk at a speed of 3.3 meters a second, part of it seems to rely on the impressive weight of the Unitree H1, compared to the 103 pounds. Looking at the simplicity of this humanoid robot, surely the manufacturer must have focused quite a bit on the material and weight of the machinery inside it. You can simply focus on its head, which is an interesting hollow head. Of course, 103 pounds is significantly lighter than the current 138 pounds that Tesla's bot, and its speed also surpasses considerably the 0.6 meters per second of Optimus. Optimus only has 2 degrees of freedom in its feet for balance. Unitree H1 has the advantage of being both light and tall, designed to maintain a stable standing posture, even in situations requiring enduring strong shocks at fixed points. It remains stable even when it's kicked. The special thing is based on a maximum torque of up to 360 Nm at the knee, hip torque of 220 Nm, so this robot can confidently move and operate on difficult terrain and in complex environments. Detailed information about the number of degrees of freedom in the leg section has also been revealed. There's a total of 5 degrees of freedom, including 3 at the hip, 1 at the knee, and 1 at the ankle. This indicates the flexibility and adaptability of the robot across various terrains and in many different situations. The Unitree H1 not only demonstrates unprecedented walking speed, but also showcases advanced whole-body coordination by dancing, climbing up and down stairs effortlessly, as well as doing high jumps comparable to those of a man standing next to it. All these possibilities raise concerns that there will be a big gap between the two robot technologies. Is this true? Alongside its sturdy, stable design, high flexibility, and superior mobility, the H1 excels in adapting to various complex environments and terrains. At first glance, it may seem incredibly impressive enough to leave the Optimus robot behind, but in reality, both the Unitree H1 and the Tesla bot boast equally efficient performance metrics without significant differences, with Tesla Optimus even slightly edging out. Firstly, it's quite puzzling to learn that the Unitree H1 only has 864 watt-hour battery pack and a maximum voltage of 67.2 volts. With such a battery size, the robot will operate for a shorter period, approximately around 5 hours or less, due to Unitree's relatively fast walking speed, which consumes more energy. For modern industrial robot products, this seems lower than the prevailing standard. Typically, robots designed for continuous operation over long periods are equipped with more robust battery systems, especially in applications that require a continuous operation like in industrial environments. At Tesla Bot, the initial prototype was confirmed to come equipped with a 52-volt, 2.3 kWh battery pack with integrated electronic devices for cooling and energy management, located in the chest area of the body. With the Gen 2 update, Tesla engineers have been able to upgrade to a higher capacity battery pack in the latest update, but they are hesitant to disclose it because they were worried about copying that continues to occur. The standard 2.3 kWh battery pack allows Optimus to operate continuously throughout the day or somewhere around 20 hours depending on the usage scenario.
Tesla Optimus is a humanoid robot that is set to generate billions of dollars for Elon Musk. This revenue won't just come from selling the robots to customers, but also from deploying them to work in the company's gigafactories. For every worker replaced by a robot, The savings could reach tens of thousands of dollars annually. That's why Elon Musk is confident that Optimus will surpass the value of any Tesla product to date, and it makes sense that he refers to it as the biggest product. To ensure the project stays on track, Elon Musk has laid out ambitious expectations for the Tesla bot by 2025, particularly regarding the integration of advanced robotics into the company's production lines. Optimus is expected to handle basic tasks in factories and even participate in producing electric vehicles. Musk has declared his goal of having at least 1,000 Optimus robots operational within Tesla by 2025. However, the production scale might not stop at 1,000 units. It could go up to 10,000. This number would allow Tesla to sell a small quantity by the end of this year and expand further in 2026. The entire production process will take place at Giga Texas. So, how is Optimus being manufactured? Is its price truly $20,000? Tesla is currently producing Optimus at Giga Texas, one of the most advanced and modern factories in the world. Although there isn't yet a dedicated production line, approximately 100 Optimus units have already been hand-assembled by Tesla's engineering team. This demonstrates the company's flexibility and creativity in the early stages. Tesla even brought nearly 50 units to an event last October, where they interacted with attendees. Optimus truly stole the spotlight throughout the event, and so far, Tesla is the only company capable of pulling this off. Have you ever seen a company bring a humanoid robot to life for customers to experience firsthand? However, Elon Musk stated that Tesla will produce billions of Optimus robots. This claim might sound exaggerated and hard to believe, but it's clearly achievable for a company like Tesla. As Tesla transitions into the expansion phase, it will optimize the production process through automation of key stages, from assembling the robot's skeleton and integrating electronic components to fine-tuning the software. Collaboration between production robots and human workers will result in a synchronized, efficient, and rapid manufacturing process. Have you ever heard about the possibility of a Tesla bot being capable of building another Tesla bot? That's a scenario that could soon become reality as Tesla progresses towards its goal of producing 1 million Optimus units. Tesla is also leveraging its vertically integrated supply chain, a strategy that reduces costs, accelerates production, and ensures strict quality control. With advanced manufacturing tools such as industrial 3D printers, AI-powered quality control systems, and the capacity for mass production of components like batteries and chips, Tesla is fully capable of meeting large-scale production demands. The goal of producing 10,000 Optimus units by 2025 is not a significant challenge for Tesla, especially when considering the scale and capabilities of Giga Texas. With over 10 million square feet of factory floor space equipped with state-of-the-art electric vehicle production lines, this facility already has the capacity to produce hundreds of thousands of Model Y vehicles annually. Producing 10,000 Optimus robots is relatively straightforward, as Tesla only needs to optimize a small portion of the factory space and make minor adjustments to existing production lines. For instance, the current equipment is designed to handle complex products like electric vehicles and batteries, so transitioning to manufacturing components such as frames, sensors, and motors for Optimus does not require major changes. In addition, with the experience in manufacturing 4,680 batteries and advanced electronic components, Tesla has the two most important factors to produce Optimus with low cost and high performance. This not only helps Tesla quickly achieve the goal of 10,000 units, but also lays the foundation for scaling up to millions of units in the near future. This year, Tesla will launch the third generation of Optimus, probably in Q1 because Elon Musk initially announced that it would be able to arrive in December, but this did not happen due to some delays in redesigning Optimus. Producing more Optimus while developing a new version is not easy, especially in the early stages when there are many technical barriers. So don't be too harsh on Tesla when you hear some shortcomings such as teleoperation for Optimus, which is necessary for Optimus training. Now let's move on to the affordable car that Tesla will launch this year, the Tesla Model Q.
Things have always been wild when it comes to Tesla's affordable car. Rumors of it getting canceled swirled throughout the year, and when news surfaced that it's back on track for a second quarter release next year, it sparked new controversy. Many believe it's yet another Tesla marketing stunt to counter unstable revenues this year, and they'll only believe it when they actually see it. However, this time it seems real. Tesla's head of investor relations, Travis Axelrod, confirmed to Deutsche Bank that the new car is set to debut in the first half of next year. It's being called the Model Q, a somewhat puzzling name that doesn't align with Tesla's signature sexy lineup. Now, let's dive into the leaks surrounding this car. Does it hold the same appeal Elon once hyped, a car set to revolutionize the industry? We are temporarily calling it Tesla Model Q because that's the name that appeared in the report, although we have a belief that this is not the final name Elon's going to choose. To quickly launch the car in time for second quarter next year, everything for Model Q will mainly be based on what's available to keep up with speed and reduce costs. So we don't find it strange that the Model Q will reportedly use a platform derived from that used for Model 3 and Y, but built more efficiently by applying some innovative principles new. This stems from the popular unboxing method the company is developing, which means retaining 80% of the traditional manufacturing platform and adding 10% of innovation from the production line Cybercab. Tesla's not officially confirmed this news yet. However, Deutsche Bank's investor report on Tesla 2025 plans states that the info came directly from Travis Axelrod, Tesla's head of investor relations. Given this, we believe the source is highly credible regarding Model Q's launch next year. That said, the specs and design of Model Q remain subject to change until its official unveiling. Right now, though, it's impossible to guarantee details about its final form. According to Deutsche Bank, Tesla plans to price Model Q at under $30,000 after applying federal tax credits. The vehicle is expected to come with two battery options, a 53-kilowatt pack offering 284 miles of range, then a 75-kilowatt capable of 310 miles. Reportedly, Model Q will be 30% smaller than Model 3, though whether it's a hatchback or crossover is unclear. At this stage, Tesla is ramping up testing a Cybercab around Giga Texas's campus. Recent videos shared online show several Cybercabs operating around the facility. However, Cybercab's ultimately a 2027 story and will likely not contribute significantly to revenue over the next 2 years. It also requires more effort than Model Q, as the self-driving technology needs to achieve flawless accuracy. Therefore, launching Model Q next year makes sense as a strategic move until Cybercab is ready to hit the market and generate profits. After nearly 5 years, Model Y is finally getting a refresh, and this revamp will change the SUV by up to 80%. It's a big upgrade that brings a cleaner and sharper design, improved efficiency, an upgraded interior, enhanced suspension, and additional features for next year. Notably, the battery pack, as you know, even a minor battery upgrade can significantly increase performance. But the surprising point is Tesla's special attention to Model Y. It seems Elon is determined to crown it as king once again, just as before, the best-selling electric car in the world. From its initial launch, Tesla's Model Y was not just a hit but a phenomenon. It offered an SUV experience that was far more affordable than the pricey Model X, while delivering performance and design that weren't too far behind. However, after nearly 5 years, it's time for Model Y to get refreshed and reignite the EV market as it once did. Throughout this year, Tesla has been producing a small number of new Model Y prototypes for testing. These prototypes have frequently been spotted in camouflage states, hiding the upgrades that Elon doesn't want to reveal too early. If these changes were unveiled prematurely, it could deter customers from buying the current Model Y while inventory levels remain high. Now, let's talk about the 2025 Model Y. Camouflage prototypes and leaked images have given us clues about design updates. Tesla's expected to adopt split headlights and a full-width LED light bar inspired by Cybertruck, aiming for a cleaner and more minimalist aesthetic. The updated design is also expected to bring aerodynamic improvements. Tesla Model Y Juniper introduces a whole new different design for the rear light cluster, a single luxurious LED strip that integrates both brake and turn signals to create the impression of one continuous line. Compared to the current model's separate tailgate design, divided by gaps that fade into the rear, this new approach is superior in both illumination and appearance. Additionally, the word Tesla is elegantly integrated into the light bar to emphasize branding. Thanks for watching our video. If you found the content helpful and want to explore more exciting info about Tesla EVs, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.